There you go, a little flyby. So basically I can't get much back here. Some of these guys are not the size I would like them to be. This one over here is already starting to blossom. I'm gonna get some seed off of that one. But these is nice vegetable flyby here. There you go. I got the chickens on the background, got the tilapia stuff running, but this is some nice colors, ain't they? Nice vegetables. A little flyby. Let's try another flyover. There we go. That's a flyover of the vegetables as they're going. Too many at one time, but hey, I'm just enjoying it. So let the boys be boys, and the men be men, and the farmers be farmers. Yes, you know, once you start doing this kind of things and loving it, you just can't seem to stop planting. So that's it, little